These Ford wrenches with the Ford script logo belonged to my grandfather. I checked, and they're not particularly valuable in a monetary sense, but of course they have sentimental value to me. With those things in mind, I'm not going to be particularly concerned about removing any patina when giving these wrenches a makeover. And I'm pretty sure that if he were here today, Grandpa John would approve. First, they go into the ultrasonic bath for degreasing. Now I'm using the wire wheel for some further cleaning. Here I'm flattening the jaws of the wrenches using the Scout Crafter method of holding a stick behind the sanding belt. Now for some work with the fiber wheel. Here I'm hand polishing the jaws of the wrenches with progressively finer grits of wet or dry paper. I'm using a polishing wheel and Eastwood Tripoli to continue polishing the ends of the wrenches. Eastwood White Rouge was used to complete the polishing process. I'm using gloss black lacquer to coat the shafts of the wrenches. Obviously not a good choice for wrenches that are going to be used, but these are just mainly for display anyway. Here I'm using some emery boards from the dollar store to carefully remove the lacquer from the raised lettering. And here's the finished product. I think they came out pretty good, and I like the way they look. I hope you liked the video. Thanks a lot for watching.